Well, hello there folks, and welcome to another episode of MyersCorner. Today we are going to look at some tech, some computer tech, so enjoy. Today we are going to look at HyperX. It's the memory RAMs for the PC. HyperX, it's from Kingston. You know Kingston, the good old company from 19 something. Like you see it here, it is a 16 gigabytes DDR4, 2666 megahertz. It's 288 pins, and it's a no ECC RAM. So this in particular ones fit into a regular PC, 2666 megahertz. So the product comes from Kingston, and it is one of the oldest, or actually it is the oldest company that makes memory for PCs and nowadays for a lot of different things. So let's unbox this, and actually more or less let's unbox these. We have a total of 64 gigabyte of RAM right here, all RPG from HyperX. So take one out. Comes in this nice plastic, actually easy to open, and you see the RAM itself right here. I see there is a little sticker from HyperX. You can place it on your PC. So if there is one in each, I have 4 of these stickers now. Of course it comes with a little instruction on what to do and what not to do. It's more important what to do part. But be sure to unblock the power, that's for sure. Don't build up any static. If you have a carpet, avoid walking around on the carpet with socks on. That builds up static. So let's put them into the machine, shall we? For the socket on the motherboard, be sure that it is DDR4 RAM you needed for placing this in particular. The spot on this little thingy thing you see right there, that distance definitely indicates if the socket fits or not. But you would also see somewhere, I guess it's up here, you can see, you would see around there or somewhere else located on your motherboard which order you should place the RAMs in. Normally it is like A1 and A2 or B1 and B2, and you should always place them in pairs. In my case all 4 RAMs are the same, so I just place all 4. Be sure that little tab you see fits into the hole, and be sure that it is open over on this side. On this side sometimes they are not opened, but they don't have to be. So you just put it in there and be sure that it clicks into the spot. So my particular motherboard is a ASRock motherboard, and it supports the RPG lighting. It would normally be indicated on the motherboard's package, this polychrome sync. There's a program that follows the ASRock. You can download it at ASRock's support website, and it gives you the ability to manipulate the lightings on the RAM, on the CPU, on different kinds of lightings that you put into it. Polychrome RPG LED. For extra lighting, there is some pins down here, and there is some pins up here for extra lighting strips. But now we are going to focus on the RAMs. In this particular case, the HyperX from Kingston. So let's put some power into that thing, shall we? First of all, we turn on the power, and then we turn on the PC. PC is booting up. You see the RAMs are starting to change color and everything. Oh, nice. So the program itself, I just turn off the RPG lighting. I choose the RAM, I turn it on. It has like this running effect. This is the running effect. I can actually turn it on and off like you see. Select the color. I can choose what color it should be. Try some green, try some blue, some purplish, some red, and yellow, yellowish, something. I can make it change automatically. I can switch it from running to breathing. I can switch it from breathing to color circle. Circle through the colors. I can set it to rainbow. Let's see if you can. I can set it from rainbow to blink, double blink, meteor, and to static. So that's just a color. I can change the colors and different parameters of the colors. I do like the running effect. That's the standard effect, I believe, the running. Just be sure that your motherboard supports the RPG lightings, so you can get full effect. They will have lights into them, of course, but would make more sense if you could change the colors and set it to your preference. Alrighty then, I hope you enjoyed this little show and tell of the RPG lighting RAM from HyperX Kingston. So I'll see you next time, that is, folks. So take care out there, and bye then. This is Myers signing off. Bye bye.